Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. This month I'm showing you step by step how to make an epic pizza at home. On this episode, I'll teach you how to make the best vegan mozzarella. Picture a world where a plant-based cheese did all the things your little heart desired. I'm talking shreds, melts, stretches, and oozes. Gone are the days where we must settle for plastic cheeses of yesteryear. This is 2020, baby, and my cheese will give you everything you need and so much more. Not only will I share a fantastic mozz recipe perfect for pizza, I'll also put 3 of the top brands to the test. Want to hear a pizza joke? I can't tell you, it's too cheesy. Let's get into it. Alright, so here are all the ingredients you'll need for your vegan mozzarella. We're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of non-dairy yogurt in a blender with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white miso. Got to get in there with your fingers sometimes. There you go. 1 teaspoon of tahini, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And we're gonna blend this on high. Now that is all blended, we're ready for our agar mixture, which is 3/4 cups of water, and sprinkle on 1.5 tablespoons of agar powder. You want to give this a nice good mix, and we're going to cook this on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes. The texture should thicken quite a bit. It should be pretty pudding-like and extra thick. Ooh. This stuff does set pretty quickly, so you're going to want to transfer that back into the blender, blend on high until everything's incorporated, and transfer to a mold. You could use a plastic or glass mold. Just smooth out the top and transfer to the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Time for a dance break. Once your mozzarella has chilled, it should be firm to the touch, and it should come out of its mold pretty easily. Just give it a couple whacks and pop goes the weasel. Now this cheese is sliceable, it is shreddable. It's not as much as a snacking cheese as there is a little bit of potato starch-ness still to the taste, which makes it nice for melting. I would maybe do this on a grilled cheese with some pesto. If you are looking for a more snackable cheese, I'll link something right above here. But just look at this shred action. Gorgeous. Let's get a close-up. Ooh, look at her shine. And there you have a most delicious vegan mozzarella. Okay, so here we have our English muffin pizzas. I have one with the cheese that I just showed you how to make. And then we also have some of the top 3 mozzarella brands, which is Follow Your Heart, Violife, and Daiya. Not the regular one, this is the Cutting Board Collection. Apparently they switched up their recipe. We're gonna give it a shot today. In case you don't want to make your own cheese, I'm gonna tell you which one you should use. First, we'll taste mine. And yes, you can tell this color is a little bit different. If you want that crisp color, you can leave out some of the extra tastings I put in there. But as far as meltability, it's definitely melted. And ooh, does seem to be some pull there. Let's give it a taste. Yes. I love that it's mellow but flavorful. There is some cheese pull. Oh yeah. Okay. But also it crisps up, which is nice. Like it's a nice balance of both. I'm into it. All right, now let's put the big brands head to head. I asked you guys on Instagram what your favorite vegan mozzarella is, and the winner was Violife. So let's taste them and see if I agree with you guys. So here we have the Follow Your Heart. Okay, so I'm noticing there isn't a lot of cheese pull here, which is important, but it's all about taste at the end. I think the taste is pretty nice. It's got like a nice salty, cheesy vibe going on. Onto our Violife. Definitely browned a little bit more than the other ones, but true test is the taste. Okay. Let's look at that pull. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, hi. How are ya? Okay, Violife. I see you. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. On to the very controversial Daiya. New recipe. Who dis? Is it gonna be better? Let's find out. Also, by the way, I measured the exact amount of sauce and the exact amount of cheese for all of this because in science. So, let's give the Daiya one a go. Okay. Okay. Well, I feel like the taste is a little better than the regular Daiya. The pull. Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho. She got some pull. Yeah, there's pull here. But I think part of the problem with it is it still has like a little bit of like a gummy, plasticky taste because they're trying to achieve that pull maybe. Definitely improved. Not my favorite. I think I'm gonna have to go with Violife. I agree with you guys. I think this one gives you that like melty flavor, melty like cheesy pull, a mellow flavor with the mozz without being so overbearing. This taste was really good. I just want that pull. It's all about that pull. But personally, since I made it, since it's my baby, I think the real winner here is my cheese. Well, guess what? Next week is the finale where I put all the pizza ingredients that we've made already together and show you how to make an amazing dough. So don't forget to turn on your notifications, like, subscribe, do all the things. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy.